Welcome. In front of me I have the TCL Tab 10L, and today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick overview of this tablet. So anyway, let's get started and pop it open. Actually, there was a little bit easier way on the other side, but whatever. I don't think it's gonna make much of a difference. So we get some paperwork under here, and that like space right here. Obviously, we got a tablet right on the top here. That's basically all we get in the box. So, charging cable, a 5-watt charger. Oh boy, that's bad. So yeah, 5-watt charger, cable for it, and obviously the tablet itself. It already comes with a screen protector applied, which is really nice. You can see it cut out of it right here, and this just, yeah, does it come off? Looks like it. Oh no, why? Oh, come on. So it comes with a screen protector, and this garbage is under that screen protector. So when you try to remove it, you're basically removing the screen protector from it. Thanks, TCL. You just completely effed up the entire idea of a screen protector. Fantastic job, sarcastically speaking. Anyway, let's disregard that stupidity of the company and just get a look at the device itself. Now, spec-wise, we're looking at fairly budget tablet, obviously. So it's a 10.1 inch display. It comes with a resolution of 800 by 1280, so a little bit above 720p, but not by much. It has a 2 megapixel camera. This is the one on the back, and on the front we have another 2 megapixel camera. So in both cases we have a just absolutely horrendous cameras. But it's a tablet, so I don't think it matters that much. And then we have a MediaTek processor. So this is a MT 800 or 8167. And in terms of the battery, we are looking at 8080 milliamp hour battery. So for the size of this tablet, this is actually a puny battery. Hell, even my phone I think has a bigger one, and just get a look at the size comparison. Actually, just so I don't say nonsense, I'm actually gonna check my phone's battery. Whoops, if I would be actually typing, that would be amazing. Mate 20 Pro. Yep, I have a bigger battery than this tablet has, and yeah, my phone is actually in thickness smaller, and in general size, obviously it's a phone, so it's, I can see it's quite about a third of the tablet. So not sure where that space is going, considering the discrepancy in size and the tiniest battery I have ever seen for a tablet, but hopefully something is redeeming that here. Anyway, let's go back to my little tablet, which was right here. And there we go. Now, right off the bat, I can tell you that the device itself is absolutely slow, which for a device released in this year, I don't really see a reason why I have to feel like I'm using a phone or a tablet or device in general that was released in like 2010. Hell, this runs basically as well as I would expect a beginning of Android devices to run. Oh my goodness. Oh, that feels so bad. Yeah, honestly, I don't know the price of it, to be honest, but I don't think I'd recommend anybody to get this tablet, to be honest. The way it runs, it's not great. I'm really trying to find out right now the price of it, so let's see if I can find it. There we go, some retailer. So it comes roughly about like what, $100 or so, maybe a little bit more. And even for $100, this isn't worth. I don't think I'd want to use this for free, to be honest. So if you're looking for just some kind of perspective, I would recommend probably spending a little bit more. If this is your only option at this price range, just spend more. This is not very usable. Just without any apps installed, this runs already bad. And once you start installing apps on it, it will run even worse. So that's why I would recommend probably even like $50 will go a long way here. At this price range, 50 more, you can get something significantly better working than this. Now, to finish this off, the actual spec list right here, we have an IPS LCD display, which, like I mentioned, the resolution, so I'm not going to go again about it. Then we do have a SD card expansion slot. We have a 32 gigs built-in storage with 2 gigs of built-in RAM, which is absolutely, again, pitiful for a 2022 device. And that's honestly the only thing that I can say that this device really has. There is not much to it. It's absolutely bare bones for that $100 price tag. And even being super bare bones, cheaply built, and cost saving on every portion that it could, it still underperforms to what I would expect from a $100 device. So yeah, I don't really have much positive things to say about it, apart from maybe the fact that they did include Type-C port. Yay! Is it? That's actually quite surprising, to be honest. Usually those devices don't do Type-C. But yeah. So I think that's the only redeeming quality, the Type-C connection right here. And anyway, like I said, not much to say about this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.